Welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can install the Docker extension for your Visual Studio's code. So if you don't know about the Docker extension, then it is an extension that makes it easy to build, manage, and deploy centralized applications in the Visual Studio's code. And it is highly recommended to use, especially if you are dealing with large Python projects. So let's see how to do this. So in order to install this extension, you need to click onto the Extensions tab in your Visual Studio's code, or you may also choose to press the Ctrl, Shift, and X key combinations. Then, once you are inside the extensions bar, you need to type the name, that is Docker, in the search bar. Now here you can see this particular extensions by Microsoft. This is the Docker extensions. Here you can see that it has got 43 million downloads and 4.5 star rated. So in order to install this particular extension, you need to click onto this install button and the installation process will begin. And here you can see that it has been successfully installed into our system. So that's it for this video. I will see you in the next one. If you like this video, make sure to hit the like button as well. Comment on this video, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.